So let's have a look at the router challenges. So we can identify that we're using a router simulator and that we have the black screen. All the simulating elements are color coded, and we can pick off a router simulator from areas such as CCNA security, Cisco CCNA, CCNA voice, CCNA route, and so on. What we should see are the challenge elements that we must complete. When we complete them, it should tick these off. Every time we complete the challenge, that we'll get a new one, or we can generate a new challenge from within inside the challenge itself. So let's have a look at an example here. So we should find that we have router simulation in Cisco CCNA, CCNA voice, CCNP route, and so on. We can also select a standalone simulator. If we select from topology, standalone, and router. But the challenge that we get is something like this. So we can have some books at the end here. There are a number of demos that we can watch. And we often start off each unit or end each unit with an actual test or with a lecture. So this is an example of a lecture. Followed up by a test based on the lecture. And we can go through the test as required. And then we can get on to the main router challenge, such as this one. So we can see here, this is the challenge that's been set for us. In this case, we need to set the host name and the domain name. So if we're stuck at any time, we can actually look up the sample configuration. Ask for a question mark for some help, and so on. So we'll just set the IP address here. And so on. So we can look at the run config anytime. We can copy that to the clipboard if required. We can show the version of the router, show the history to show the commands that we've actually used, generate the requirement, and we can capture all our commands to the clipboard. We can look at the solution to show us what the solution should be for the commands that we've generated, and we can generate a demo. And so on. So we can generate a new challenge there. Each time we generate a new challenge, it should show us a new set of challenges, and every time we go back into it, we should be able to see that challenge.